How to register for ChatGPT by Mohammed Mobeen Ajmal. So, what I am going to do is take you through the entire ChatGPT registration process in this video. The first thing you have to do is open in a new Google window or tab and type in ChatGPT. Open the first link of ChatGPT and it will take you to the homepage of OpenAI. OpenAI is the company that invented the ChatGPT and other GPT models. Here you have to click on the button Try ChatGPT. It will open a new tab and start the sign up or login process. If you are using ChatGPT for the first time, you have to sign up. Once you click sign up, it gives you three options. The first is to make a direct account with ChatGPT using your email. This has the hassle of having multiple passwords and sometimes the password does not work. The other two options are to link ChatGPT with your Google or Microsoft account. If you have a Gmail but it has sensitive information and you do not want to connect it with an external source, create a new Gmail account and link it with ChatGPT. After continuing with Google, once you connect your ChatGPT account with Google, the ChatGPT will prompt for some extra information including name and date of birth. Click on the calendar, choose the year first, followed by the month and then the date of your birth. In the next step, it will ask for a phone confirmation. Select your country and then your number. It will send you a 6-digit code. Enter the code and your ChatGPT registration is done. Now ChatGPT will show the terms and conditions. The first box will explain that this is a research preview of OpenAI and so mistakes are expected. This beta model is given so that OpenAI could test the chatbot in real-life situations. In the next dialog box, OpenAI clearly stated that their AI trainers can review the discussion so no sensitive and private information should be shared with ChatGPT. By pressing the Done button you are accepting the terms and conditions. Now you are on the ChatGPT main frame. You can see a dialog box on the page to chat with ChatGPT. You can write your prompt over there and start conversing with ChatGPT. I am going to start a dialogue with ChatGPT that almost all students want. Hi ChatGPT, how can you help me in my university studies? Once you give ChatGPT a prompt, it will reply to your question or query. ChatGPT is going to take on the role of a virtual teacher, conversant, researcher and many more in these discussions with you. Since the prompt is not well engineered, the answer lacks quality. The better your prompt, the better replies ChatGPT will give you. Now you can play with the technology. Welcome to the wonderful land of chatbots. Enjoy the journey.